In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate Abercrombie & Fitch's website to check your order history or make any account adjustments you might need. Let's dive right in and get you familiar with the website's interface. First things first, you're going to want to open up your web browser. Any browser of your choice will work perfectly fine, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or even Edge. Once your browser is up, you'll need to head over to Abercrombie & Fitch's website. You can do this by typing in the URL www.abercrombie.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be at the home page of the site where you can start your journey toward managing your account. Now that you're on the Abercrombie & Fitch website, you'll want to sign into your account. Look toward the top right corner of the page. There you should spot a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password that are tied to your Abercrombie & Fitch account. Make sure you type in this information carefully to avoid any sign-in issues. If you've forgotten your password, most sites, including this one, offer a forgot password feature to help you retrieve or reset it. It's always a good habit to periodically update your passwords to keep your account secure. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll probably notice your account name or perhaps an account icon in the same area where the sign in button used to be. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see the option labeled My Account. Selecting this will take you into your personal account dashboard. This dashboard is your control center for viewing your orders, updating personal information, and managing preferences. Now that you're in My Account, it's time to navigate to your orders. This section is incredibly useful for reviewing any past purchases, tracking current shipments, or managing any issues that may have arisen with your orders. Typically, this option is very easy to spot. Look for a tab or a link that says Orders. Clicking this link will provide you with detailed information about all your past and current transactions. This feature is particularly handy if you're purchasing gifts, need a reminder of what's already been ordered, or even to simply track the status of recent purchases. And there you have it, a quick and seamless process to access your account and manage your orders at Abercrombie & Fitch. Whether you're a regular shopper or just occasionally browse, knowing how to navigate these features will enhance your online shopping experience. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, make sure to check out more of our content for similar tips.